Hello children, today I am going to teach how to do dragon puppet. Materials needs are color papers, crayons, oil pastels, Fevicol, marker, stapler pin, ice cream stick, scissor, pencil, eraser and color sheets. Now you can take the scrapbook paper like this. You can take any 2 sheets. You can take the color sheets and fold it into half. Cut the sheets. In the middle, like this you can cut it. Another piece, another color sheets to cut. You can take one sheet. In this sheet, you can fold it equal. Front and back you can fold it fully. After folding like this, you can keep it this red color paper. You can take another color paper. You have to fold the paper and cut it into half. Next, you can take the pencil, in this place you can draw this. Lightly you have to draw U shape and bend it. This is becoming sharp V shape and join this. In this place you have to join in this edge. Here you have to draw V shapes sharply. In this two you have to join it. Here also you can draw the V shape zigzag like this. You have to complete. In this place U shape, continue, draw like this. In this two curve you have to join it. In this middle you have to join like this. Here draw the eyes. Like this you can complete your eyebrows. In this place nose. This also you have to join it. Tail you have to draw one V like this. Long V, and like this you have to complete slantingly. In this middle starting place you can draw this curve. This two have to join it, middle curve. In this place you can draw the V like this. After complete this, can cut this. After this, you can cut this edges like this. You can cut it V shape. Only edges you have to cut. Next here, in this edge part alone you have to cut. In this down, cut like this V shape. Your dragon face over, and this is the tail. You can take your marker and draw the outline. You have to complete your picture like this. Draw the leg like this and give the outline and cut it. After complete the black outline, you can erase this pencil lines alone. In this place, you can apply the Fevicol and stick it like this. In this edge, another side, you can stick it. You can take any 2 ice cream stick and stick it like this, your leg. After sticking, you can stick it this. Green ending place, you can stick it in your leg. Here also you have to stick it in this place. Let them dry. You can take the any yellow color sheet and red sheet, color paper, or like this you can take any cover, and like this you can fold it. And put stapler here, stapler here. After this, creativity, any color you have to give, any dark colors or light colors you can use. In this eyes you can give white. You can complete your any paint or coloring also. You can keep your color paper, and in this mouth inside you can stapler it here. You can color it now after this. You can color merging also. Merging or any painting color also you can decorate your dragon. After complete the painting or crayons work, like this you can arrange it. Your dragon is ready. Do the crayons work or painting work. Your dragon puppet is ready. Stay home, stay safe, bye.